you and the girl are beard with the same red one?
Yes. Raga.
Yeah.
Beside the girl with the next side of story about the red raga. Then people that look at me and say you're aganeering because the way we are.
Yo, that word them mad. Aganeering. Aganeering to the flipping world.
Hi. Ragashanti, I did mix up daddy. Hallelujah. Ragashanti go on and on. Yes, Ragashanti. Do you know how Richie feelings this, right? And you know me have to listen to your program because you talk a crocus bag of things with scandal side of it.
I mix up and blend that time.
Ragashanti live. Ragashanti
Check. What the video there, President? What the video there? All right, here we go. Good night. Good night. Good night.
Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live.
I play my tambourine. Munche. Why you say Munche?
I mix up and blend that time.
Millicent Boo. Happy belated birthday. Babsy Blair grew up good as Joyce Real. Sonny Tannon's what, hey. Watch it, my boss, a careless wine. Watch it, my boss, a careless wine. Move out of my way, my boss, a careless wine. Watch it, watch it. You know what I can't wine do? Hey. Wake up. Hey, that's round the grasses though. Come in at it. Night. Me almost a morning, you know. Wagwan people. Atan Spicy, big up yourself. All right, Jimmy Q, big up yourself. We'll see Wagwan. Don't say a word. People wanna say. What are you saying in the night? Yeah, I want to know. Wake up and you look asleep at compound, you know. Careless Vinny. Sit up on the sidewalk, Vinny Willie. Sit up on the sidewalk. Kingsley by Grey, big up yourself. Big up yourself, Prezi back in the place. You know, Prezi come from that generation where them not come here. Them done with that something there. Them not come. Them not. Where is the Prezi? No year coming around here, don't. You know, depend on something. Prezi not come here. Good night, people. We soon got to the 4 line, but big up on yourself and think some quick sitting I want to know. The dirty man we order the people and for dead down at Jamaica, the pastor. So-called pastor. I don't know what, but I get some look mad pan him, you know. I Canada, him come from originally, you know. So, without saying too much, you know, you have some people who used to live beside him in a prison. For a long time, you know, them live beside him from my youth. And I know say sometimes when them things are going on, people say this and that. Let me see the wall here. I know say people say this and that, but I'm inclined to believe what them people have said. I'm say, boy, I'm from my youth. I'm saying, you know, a woman I tell me, you know, so them say, chew him cute, them it's a girl thing, you know. Them say him did cute, me don't know. Apparently, him did good looking and cute and whatever, but because of that, him attract, you know, the girls. But them say when the girls them go around him, them say him did weird. For a long time, him did weird from Canada and all these things and whatever. And I only part of something them say, well, I don't even want to get in the politics part and which party him defend and all them something of them. And I get in that, I can't manage them something of them. I leave that to the, I'm going to talk to the other political people. I'm a joke me get. If you don't know joke, you don't listen to me. 1 or 2 times, I come out and I show me, you teach on certain things. Because I can do that. I'm qualified, I have the credentials to do that. But at the same time, I don't say for the take look stress off on the head and thing and whatever. But I just say, originally Canada, the boy come from and one bag of sitting and ray, But them I investigate the thing and boy, and I like say the first years that somebody did a Jamaican thing, but unfortunately, but given the circumstances and thing, you're supposed to feel relatively safe when you're in a church, don't you? And the doctrine of churches is such that they're supposed to be promoting peace and harmony. Well, if you're a student of history, you would know that such is not the case because some of the biggest wars in the history of humans was because of religion. Religion constitute the basis of a lot of people dying. Even in the Bible, a whole heap of people did. Karen Eli, big up yourself. So here we are going on now. I have one thing for share with you, but I not share it yet, Prezi, you hear about the woman who asked her ex-man and him woman did sit down and she asked her ex-man to give her a kiss. And the ex-man said, I can't kiss you. You don't see me, I'm a woman sit down right here. So what you do and what? You know hear about it? She asked him for a kiss. And she pressure him for a kiss. She supposedly live with somebody else too, But come and pressure her ex-man for kiss when the ex-man did it with the new woman, And the ex-man said, no. So he looked like the ex-man woman beside him now look like how she come and ask you for kiss, And so him just lean over and kiss him woman. And put on a kiss on him woman who him there with. You understand? So after him kiss for him woman, him use for him tongue and they play a sword fight with him woman tongue and, I do lizard lap tongue to tongue and all these things and him done kiss. Fim ex said to Fim new woman, me I beg you a kiss. No, I'm sorry, me I laughing when they hear all this end. So she said, me I beg you a kiss. So the man new woman said, like, no. What is wrong with you? So, of course, she not get no kiss from either of them. So you know say, her man, she know say him gun, they there between them like under one pillar or something. After she not get the kiss from neither her ex or neither her ex-woman, her ex-woman, you know say she reach over and just grab him and go and bust a shot in him, kill him. People in the search for it because they may think I lie, me I tell. Hey, I'm going to start a thing for my channel. It's going to name Reggae News, something like so. You understand? And you see, I need somebody who can just compile them type of news here, And then we just do like a weekly news. You know what I say? Do like a weekly news and share these things with people on Ragashanti TV over YouTube. You tell me no, Prezi. How are you going this? Like, what was her objective? It's kind of easy to explain what she did up to her, when she tell her ex to kiss her. But when she did up to her, she said, all right, you kiss me. Yeah, you who there with my ex, right? I want a kiss from you. Anyway, we may get back to that, but let me tell you one next thing I want to start with. I want to call in and tell me something. Want to do when you're drunk? Or when you smoke weed and what you regret say you did do. All right, now I know so no found afraid of a topic like them, yeah. But me still I put it out there anyway because a little thing come up today and you never know somebody may call, Again, I know so no found afraid to talk about them something, but again, I want to call in. You can't call in about anything I want to call in about anything I want to call in, but I want to call in and share with me something I want to do. when on did drunk, drink too much liquor and drunk, or when you smoke weed and get high and you regret say you do it. Anyway. One munchy, but if the ex-man girl him kiss him after she shot them and kiss him, she grab his phone and call 911 quick, and that you know, but we may get back to that. So people, a whole heap of people know me, right? I know a whole heap of people, you know. But because of what I do, more people know me than me know them, right? I just saw the thing. You know, when you're in them business, yeah, a whole heap of people know you. So you find some people reach out to me all the while. I don't know what I do. So people reach out to me all the while and they ask for advice on different matters and different issues that confront them. This is par for the course with what I do. As many of you are aware, I'm a former psychotherapist and so forth. So, you know, from them days, from Connecticut days, Hartford and Stewart, Connecticut days, you still have people affiliated with that past profession of mine who would seek my assistance. Additionally, I'm involved in media in the capacity of a talk show host, and very often people call me and ask my advice on certain things and ask for my counsel on certain matters and what. This is something I'm used to. From doing this for decades, you unconsciously develop certain skills. It's just like anything. Experience, increases your abilities in whatever it is that you do continuously. And so it is that whenever somebody reach out to me without even knowing what is it, very often I'm already able to kind of put in context what they're reaching on. I get a sense. I have some kind of broad sense, depending on the language that's used, depending on the delivery, depending on the emotional dynamics surrounding whatever it is. However broad they may say it, very often I don't know what it is, but I can have a sense. I can know when somebody's coming with something heavy and emotional and psychological. I can have a sense when somebody's coming with something very matter of fact, like, where do I find this, or do you know about this? I can have a sense. So when my brethren reach out to me and say, someone want to talk to you about something and thing and whatever. But the way I reach out and think is a God man, I mean, I'm God. But he's a street man. Sometimes people that don't make sense to you, but that's who he is. He's a street man, but he's like very into God and Christian. So he has a complexity about him that you may think you have a handle on him and what he's about, but him have some of my. We have some similarities. It's like when people meet me, they meet one side of me and them think that is my side. And I am such a multi-layered person that very often when they're exposed to the other side and they see that contradiction based on their socialization, they're like, no, something is wrong here. Why is he behaving like that? Sometimes people meet me as Dr. Stewart, and then they meet Ragashanti, and then Tony Idiot. Sometimes people meet me as Ragashanti, then they meet me as Kingsley, and then Tony Idiot. Whatever the case. So he's like that. He have that something there. And so when he reach up me, I pick up something heavy from him. So I say, but you me busy and thing, me work and thing, me keep on if I get back to your brethren and thing. And him link me a couple times and I said, no, I need to talk to you, and whatever. So, me eventually link him in the night, you're busy, I do some work and whatever. What me say, me call the dog and thing and kid. So, when I call him now, him say, so I want to talk to you about the ganja thing in New York. So I say, the ganja thing in New York? So I say, yeah, them legalize the weed in New York. So I say, well, them legalize recreational weed, but I don't think it is active yet, but it is legalized, recreational weed. So them are going to have dispensaries that sell weed and them something, right? So for those of you who don't know, a lot of states up here, them legalize, medical marijuana. Another one of them legalize, pretty. The medical one, yeah, medical one. Some state illegalize recreational and medical. Some state are just medical. But really what I want, the medical one, the way it do, you can't go there go buy your weed and smoke your weed. All you have to do is tell him, say, oh God, stress a kill me and only ganja can help me. Here you go. Here's your medical card. Go and buy your weed. But anyway, so I asked about that. So when he asked about that, he kind of threw me off for a second. I was like, no, I thought he was going to ask me about something really deep, you know? Because that's the sense I got from him when he initially broached the matter to me that he wishes to speak to me about an issue. And I'm there like, oh yes, I mean, I tell him, and he must say, okay, so you can buy the weed anytime you want. And I say, well, yeah, you have to have your local doctor card and whatever. So again, you know, he kind of threw me off, you know. So that's him that call me out. So him asked me some question about weed, right, Prezi? So I said, what on here, so? So I that. So he must say, one why else you use weed for? So we talk and talk to him and make him know, say, one of the best things for weed is, for flu, is when you have white rum pan green ganja and make it cure and sit down there, you know? May I explain that to him and thing, and may I tell him, say, that bad. And thing, and I say, more time you can just take that enough, you just kind of perk up your thing and whatever. So now may I tell him, say, what day my brethren have it? And me go drink too much of it, you know, because you really just take like a teaspoon in a present. And my brethren have it, and I go take like quarter glass. Yeah. Green ganja with white rum. Yeah, when I tell you, say, that mash me up about 2-3 days straight, you know, present. I high for about 2-3 days straight, you know. I drink it, you know. So I tell him and thing and whatever, and So I saw him come round now and I say, yeah, him smoke some weed what he and thing and him say him drink too. But him drink whiskey. But him smoke the weed and drink the whiskey. And him say, after that, him and him woman go do the things them, right? You follow me, President? And then him say, you know, see, that I kind of want to talk to you about. And I say, what you mean? Boy, by the way, whatever I'm saying to you, I always ask people if I can come back and say it. And you know, I call my name. I say, no, whatever, good. So you don't know it. So I must say, boy, you know, I know some smoky weed, man, and thing, and drink some whiskey with wifey and thing and whatever, and I do something, and you know, we're going to do a thing, you know. So I say, And you want to say, the next day she show us some video of what we did I do. Okay. And boy, when I look on the video, I see some things where boy, I don't even remember if me said to me did I do them something there, you know? And I said, Oh, so I don't know. Yeah, wifey and thing, I don't know. So if, you know, member. But them, when I think them when I do, why, more than ever do them something there, you know? Okay. So, you think a jug should jug me? I'm not really sure what you ask me, you know. Because it depends on what you do. But what you say, you did high before? Yeah, me did high. But somebody who you trust, I think I want to, yeah, man, I trust her, man. Like, trust her, good. Yeah, I trust her. So why you think, say, what you think? She give you something else? I said, that me don't know, man. But me say, you think that you have any reason for think you should have do you that? No, but me I wonder, you know? So I say, is it that you just feel funny about what you do, and you just start struggle with trying to explain what you do. And in trying to explain what you do, you know, sometimes people do them something, you know. If you don't mind me, I keep it real with you, you know. Sometimes people do some things and, you know, when them kind of regret what them do, them look for an external explanation for why they did what they did. So they, you know, in order to feel good about themselves, they proceed to attempt to identify cause outside of themselves. And if they can identify a cause outside of themselves, it will make them feel better that they are not guilty of doing something that they didn't. You know, so I say probably a way you do, you feel that make you feel strongly about it, you know? Or, so if I saw, I not like, cause at this point in the prison, I not like, because you know, not in a terrible way, but in order to understand the thing, it would have helped me to understand what I'm doing. But sometimes with these things, you can't too ask a person, so you can nudge them. And if them follow you down the path there, you know, them way you can, you know, kind of have a better understanding. So I said, based on what you're saying, you know, this kind of depend on, you know, what you do and things. So there was this awkward silence, right? And in counseling, they train you to identify what preceded the silence. And depending on what precedes the silence, you can interject. You can interject forcefully. You can interject calmly. You can interject passively or actively. Those have meanings. Or you cannot interject at all. So I detected that this was a moment not to interject. So there was this silence in the prison. Then Bossy just come out and Bossy tell me what him do, you know. And the man tell me soft and slow. So I say, are you see this on the video? And him say, yeah. And I say, yo, that not me. So I say, well, because of what you do. Him say, not only because of what me I do, but the way me just love it, So by this time, you know, two me know say him a street man. Even though I'm in church, him a street man. Me didn't think he was just swiping in a prison. But it was swiping, but it wasn't the regular swiping. We can't say no more. You understand? You understand, Prezi? You sure you understand? It was swiping, you know. But it wasn't the regular swiping. And the dog see this on the video. So you see, as soon as him tell me that now, me kicking a zone for kind of protect him, to be honest, you know? So I say, all right, real quickly, before we deal with this any further, what kind of phone you see it on? You see it on an iPhone or a Samsung or a smartphone? And him say, yeah, it was a Galaxy. So I say, and the video, what the video? Him said, no, man. When she see how me uncomfortable with it, she you know, she said she go delete it. So I say, she said she go delete it. Did you see it deleted? Him said, no, because we talk about it too. Because she sent me the video. So I said, oh, you never watch it yourself? Him said, no, she sent me the video. So I said, dog, she tell us that she delete it. Him said, no, she said she go delete it. Since me feel so uncomfortable about it. So I say, big man, here we go on. You need to get over the fast. Right? A Queens, you know? So I say, you need to get over the fast. I'm going to say, why? I say, you need to get over it. You see, something like this, you need to see her delete it, doggy. So I say, go over there. Right? And then, you know, very calmly, just get off and delete it. And after you delete it, link me. You know, so when him reach over the president, him call me, but she upon the line. So he must say, yeah, I'm there, you know, yeah, I'm babes, you know, I'm a general, this and whatever, you know. And thing, and, you know, I'm a reason with about certain things and whatever. So, me kind of get uncomfortable because You know, me don't know her either, you know, and them look away there and things, so. But there was another matter. So me, you know, go say to him, say, I can't talk to you about something privately. And him said, no, man, she good, man. You can't say anything to her. I said, no, something I want to talk to you about, man. Him say, about this? Him say, I'm going to say, yeah. So him say, no, man, you may tell her say she good, man. I said, I know, I something about me, you know. And him say, oh. And him say, all right, hang up. I will hang up and thing and, you know. Why, at that time, I don't even know, because him could have still called back and sit up on the line, don't. But anyway, when him called back, I said to him, say, no, disrespect to your lady do, you know. And I really nothing about me. But there is something where, you know, some of the on this mix-up thing with the phone thing for a long time. So you see, if it delete from your phone, you need to find out if she have a cloud account. And go in at the cloud account. And if you can't do it, you go in at the cloud account. President man said, cloud account or what that? I don't know what is a cloud account. Me tell you, say the woman, hey, the man them nowadays, you don't know if a man them don't know where I go and look at cloud account as standard something now in a prison. Everybody have cloud account now, right? So I say, doggy, you have the phone them set up sometime, it come by default. Anything going on your phone, it just automatically saving at the cloud. So I must say, no, man, I have to bring her back, you know. So I say, no, I don't want to. No, man, I have to bring her back. I say, I do what you want to do. And then bring her on. And then me ask her, I say, you have a cloud account? She said, I think so, you know. But I not use it. So I say, you have that feature there where you save your number them to like a particular email. She said, what you mean? I said, do you save your things them to your phone or to your Gmail account? Because she said she have a Gmail. She said, to my Gmail account. So I said, well, you quite likely have a... I say, you ever buy a new phone yet and then them transfer everything from one phone to the other and it, you know, based on, and I'm asking for your email and she said, yeah. So I say, you have a cloud account then? And I saw now, me guide them now, and them going at the cloud. And you know, say it in a cloud account, Prezi. It in the cloud account, you know. And when him going there and him see it and whatever, I must say, boy, dog, thank you, because and this and that and blah, 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 and this and that and. So you know, say the whole rigmarole now is that when him a say, I wonder if she set him up. And one time I wonder if she set him up, you know. He dog feel bad, say him the kind of cherry, you know, and go get busy. Yo, that I never a Roman razor. That a song. I don't know. Give me a call. Hello.
Where go?
Yes.
Where you going with you?
How this?
You don't know, you can't get your voice.
Mr. Combs, what you say?
You will tell me what you say, what found everything I go on up there right so
Boy,
far.
everything good, man, everything. Boy, Mr. Combs, me I tell you something, I'm blessed. Me nah lie, I'm blessed. Me give thanks, you know. Gotta smile upon me and things, you know. So, what if I work, but me give thanks, you know.
I say go. All right, may I say something, you see? All right, the man named Simit. You hear me?
Yeah, who named Simit?
The pastor, I believe.
Yeah, the pastor, yeah, over Mantiga Bay there, yeah.
All right, Simit was born in Kingston. Simit was born in Kingston.
Yeah.
But relocated with his mother to Cassava River.
Cassava River, where that there?
I don't know. I don't get you, I'm not sure.
Okay.
All right, Simit was born in Kingston, but relocated to his mother, with his mother to Cassava River.
So I'm reach Canada?
We're a past student of Jamaica College.
Okay.
She said Simit migrated to Toronto, Canada, as a teenager where he attended we can't pronounce the word, Technology Church, the spiritual church, TELEPLOGICL.
All right. Mr. Combs, I go check up banner information. I don't want to use up that pan the show and thing, but in terms of the background information, I go check up on all of that. But what you think about that incident, Mr. Combs? What you think?
No, well, hear me now. You see, I didn't say it there. Me a 7 year Adventist, you see?
Yeah.
And the Bible show me where you have whole thing of sheep clothing, right?
Yeah.
So me not go talk about it. Me tell you, you don't feel no way.
Okay.
Ma'am, you see, because I tell you, who know better do better, and I know everything you can jump to, and every music you can dance to, right?
See it there. See it there.
Yeah, me tell you, so me not really, for me about them, because the Bible says, not Bible, I was reading a book. It said God has been choosing people all over the world. You know, God has been choosing a 70-year Anglican Church of God.
Right.
He said God has been choosing people all over the world.
Yeah.
Many are called, but few are chosen, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, you see that thing, yeah? Me not really talk about it.
No, all right, leave it alone, man. Leave it alone.
Right.
Me understand, because it's
So
heavy.
you want that to go up in 1960, 61 and that to be St. Mary?
What? Something happened to you, 60, 61 and not to be a St. Mary?
Yeah, something with a man and woman.
All right, tell me, yeah, what go on? Press the same one here, yeah.
All right, 1960, 61. Something about a man out there, you know, he might have stick big, you know.
He might have stick big, yeah.
Yeah, so he can't get nothing much.
Right, because he might have stick too big, duh.
Yeah, and he have no money to buy it, that's right?
Right.
So the man don't want to give him. So one place not to be named Nanko NKO.
Nanko. You have one
Nanko,
DJ
yeah.
name, son, but go on talk,
He's a Indian man live down near to the seaside, so then get the lane after him, a Indian man named Nanko.
Nanko, yeah.
And my wife, good father, good friend.
Yeah.
The man in the 20s, 18th, so.
Yeah.
In the 18th century. So the seaside is near to Nanko lane, you know. So a man on him outside, you know, start out yourself, I even time.
A what?
A man on the outside girlfriend, I was start out yourself at night time.
Oh, a man on the out and in Bonner girl always go what? Down at the seaside, go sort out.
Right.
Okay.
So be that start out.
All right. Swim and sort out. And do the underwater daggering, yeah.
Right.
Yeah.
So the man with the motor stick, you know, him can't get the thing. So most time he go on the beach, go watch what go on.
Okay.
So remember a seaside, you can't know when nobody walk there, you know.
Yeah.
Upon the sea, you see water, make nice a box a little bit. And the seaside, you can't hear when you walk in the sun.
Yeah.
So my man, the bonner man, I drive the motor stick, man, I drive the motor stick, and the motor, I drive the motor stick. And the big bonner, the man, the mama man now, take time, bend down and bottom, then blow the motor stick out of the motor, you know.
Oh,
What I say? In action, you know.
No, we can't really go it. We even though you're talking a code, we can't really. The man go draw out the man something.
Joe, the something, the motor stick out of the motor, man, jump up and say, look at this.
No, man, something wrong with him. What him a do a hold the man motor stick and thing? No, man, him out there.
He jump up, but the man don't know when he run left the woman.
And run left the woman there?
Yeah, man, yeah, and he run go to the road and take 12 feet, woman friend down. So boy, Mary down here, so and him tell him what go on, and the two woman run go down there. Right, with stick and stone. So when the woman reach, the two woman reach down here, see the woman come. And he say, "Man, fi bar out the man name."
Yeah.
Bar out the name. Me not call the name, but your family was there.
Right.
Yeah, so the woman see, me tell you, I'm not joking, you know.
Yeah.
The woman see, woman come in and sort of fuck. But you know, the time you know, drawing fuck, and have the man close, no, the man run left the clothes, you know.
Yeah, and nah, man, so what him run well left the woman for?
Then you bag off from man hold on by water stick.
No, him go load this up. Right, me nah say him never did for frighten, say a man go hold on pan him mortar stick when him at work. In the dark, they on the beach and them something there. But if him down there with a woman, and that woman trust him and rate him enough to say, yo, me go give her a run down here, so you know, me could go a bush, go do it, or seaside, go do it. Right? Me old school everywhere there, you know, Mr. Cobb.
Yeah.
That woman's safety and me responsible for it. You understand what I say?
I do. Better up with him too.
You understand? So when run well left a woman, for the woman could have dead down there. You understand? Him should have run well for the woman. Him should have kicked with the man or whatever and get up right away and block the woman and say, Mr. Man, go from here, so. And tell him the woman put on her clothes and think and make sure him don't even see her. Yeah.
The man come out to... The man work together at 10 piece now. The man with the matter stick. Then he work together, you know.
Oh, the man with the man with the matter stick was too big.
No, the man who can't get nothing.
Yeah,
the watchman.
Yeah.
Then he work at 10 piece, big grass at 10 piece, and we ask him out, you know.
Yeah.
He said, who tell you those things? Who tell you those things? Me say, have married up, man, you laugh.
Right, no, but me don't know why I go on. That's like desperation take him. When him think him that I go get somebody, you know, him not get somebody.
No, he can't get near him. I try to force her, try to rape her in the about. There's a night and now, no.
No, but him never do her nothing to do.
No, but you man know how him ball out his name.
And she ball out him name because she know who. But the other man shouldn't run well for her this.
No.
And then and when him run well for her, she a walk and come up with him clothes and thing, don't.
Right.
Nah, man, I idiot man that. I idiot thing him do when him run well for her. I lose her for him this.
The man I know, man. You see that about crabble, because that's a middle part and not to be a crabble.
Why name crabble?
Yeah, that's a middle part and not to be.
The middle part and not to be a Lord of mercy, Mr. Combs.
Your top be a bottom be and your crabble.
Yeah, but Mr. Combs, you know I mix. Yes, President, we are going to take a break now. You know I mix up them, Mr. Combs. You know they mix up them bad. But that man, him out there, man. But him going to go hold him on the instrument.
But they call him Studders. They can say Combs Studders.
What they call him Studders, like you that say?
Yeah, you call him daddy name, his surname.
Okay, so like you that say, Prezi Studders, no?
Yeah, Combs Studders.
Okay, Bobby Clark Studders, like something like so. Louis Studders, yeah. All right. Boy, oh boy. Me still vex with him saying run well if you woman do. No, that bother me. Me can't.
Yeah, just you know, you're 13, I'm not going to.
All right.
My Christian brother didn't know me, so I'm not going to mix up anything.
All right, yeah, man, leave it alone. Me understand.
That's Satan work.
Yeah, that cause something me leave alone. All right, Father Combs, big up yourself here.
Yeah, man, big up listener.
Man, yeah, TamFam
right,
here. This listener them name TamFam here, Tambourine family, TamFam. Say big up TamFam.
Big up TamFam family, thank you.
Yeah, say big up TamFam.
Big up Tampa, yeah.
All right, Mr. Combs. People, President, say we have for all a break. We're soon forward.
Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live.
Yeah, man, welcome back up in our juggling. And thing and people, I want to. Yeah, man, I tell you, boy, I'm not afraid for telling you when me drop a catch, you know. All right, so I tell you some, well, not really drop the catch, but see me there, I give the man advice and thing, and my phone blew up, you know. And what the people, them I said, the first, let me tell you, one say, tell the man he needs to check our deleted items folder too. The settings are set to hold the trash for up to 30 days. And it don't sound like this person is referring to just email, because you don't know, say I not email, me I talk about some. Next one. Yo, tell a brother that he need to also go into the deleted folder and completely delete that video from her phone. She can still go in the deleted folder and restore it. So, Prezi, the phone them have a deleted folder different. Okay, all right then. Me not afraid for talk. You have some people now got admit it. And that deleted folder, some of them, me not really, me know about, me know about the cloud. Me know about the delete. You see what I tell you? The thing them they all about. President knows say you can set your phone for any multimedia message come. It cannot save to multiple places automatically. Multiple places. When I say save, you know. And if you have a hard drive, wait, somebody tell them down at Jamaica say me hear something a while ago, yeah? I think something open there. Yeah, if you have a hard drive, you know, so some hard drive can connect to your network. No? Even that, you know. That's why right now it don't even make no sense to make anybody hold your phone, you know, or go in. You know what I say? Nobody a chat about them want a call. Want a call where? Me not giving no call. Leave me alone. Me don't know nobody I do. You know, somebody do me one time, Prezi. You know that's something that way if you press the phone, the back of one phone on the next phone, like you copy everything. You know, so one woman do that to me one time. And anybody know the drama them I go through, you know who do it too, you know? You don't know who do it. I tell you, say the woman them cool. Give me a call. Hello.
Go on there, Raga.
Man, there, you know.
Yeah, man, I creamy, man, I pass through, you know.
Creamy, where you say, General?
Yeah, my boss, man. Yeah, my general.
Seeing?
You know, when I touch base somebody yesterday, but I'm saying I check in tonight, you know.
Seeing? Creamy. You ever get high, smoke weed and get high, or get drink liquor and get drunk, and end up and do something where you regret say you do?
Yes, man.
What
yes,
that?
Man.
What that?
Me can't talk about that one, you know. I'm going to talk about that one on Free Up Saturday night.
For Free Up Saturday night? All right.
Yeah.
Then. All right, then.
But you are going now. Remember, one of them phone mix up there for you.
Yeah, I could hear it now.
I just call my brother, you know, because I'm listening right now, you know.
I walk cool, man.
I call you, you know.
See, I could hear it, I could hear it.
That I see him Coombs there.
Coombs?
Yeah.
So
yeah,
Coombs are with General. Yeah, what you say?
Yeah, man. He might listen now, man. Come just call him and tell him say I call him.
I walk cool, man.
Yeah.
Run it.
Yeah, you are going now. My woman, I give me a little problem and thing more while. You see, but you and Coombs are friend.
Yeah.
So, we beg him give her some counseling, but him don't want to talk to her more time when we race. So, I go to Bam and check her phone what day. I guess who for number me see?
Who for number?
The Coombs number in the last dial.
A Coombs? So your woman and Coombs reason one away when you know the boat?
When me know the boat.
Oh.
And me call him one day. You know, say Coombs, because I tell you, Coombs say, boy, the woman, she drink rum and come and cuss me more time, you know, when she drink and smoke, you know.
Yeah.
And Coombs question me, and Coombs ask me how much fitness the woman have. And I say, boy, Coombs, you know, say 4 fitness the woman have. Here, Coombs ask me if I go kid them and I can't sell one. Why me not run with the woman? Because none of them are not my fitness.
I get involved in that part, but not wrong if a woman not wrong if you're there with a woman who are picking already, but I get involved in that part.
But I'm a virgin and I try to break my foot privately, and I sometimes I call this feeling a guy. They will laugh now, you know.
Well,
they will laugh now,
of course, if I did, we laugh, because poor Mr. Coombs. Mr. Coombs can't even walk right now and think you got to talk about the man that broke your foot.
And I'm a sharp shooter, you know.
No.
Me, I tell you, say, him harder for him cream, you know.
Yeah.
You understand?
Yeah.
Me, him that tell you something about cream one time. But Coombs know some of my thing, them, you know. Him have to deal with cream, you know.
No, Mr. Coombs say him not do that. Him not eat the cream, you know. Him is not an ice cream. Yeah. All right?
Yeah, man.
All right, Cream. Big up yourself, man. Still. Yeah, man. Saturday, Free Up Saturday.
I just go and listen and touch back base, because I just come in, so we never really listen to the program from start. You know, school to come catch a while ago. You know?
Cooler, man. Let's say a word
man,
here,
sir. General still differently, you know.
Nah, man, we boss right here now, man. The man in a TamFam straight right here now, man.
Yeah, man. Coombs TamFam, man.
Yeah. Coombs TamFam. Yeah.
All right. Big up. See you, Raga.
All right,
big up all like TamFam, them, man. Big up Patty Goodals.
Yeah, long time.
Yeah, man, the boss that, man. Patty Goodals. Big up yourself in the way.
Yeah, man. Our lady that you know, man. See? It goes some.
All right, Raga.
Yes, people. So, let me go on to the number right, you know, and let me have a whole heap of thing in the log here, you know, and a whole heap of something, and go in at them, right? What? Miklat. Prezi, what is? No, remember, one of them I go mention. Prezi, what is in the log? Hagfish Day. I want name so. People, them say today is National Hagfish Day. And that is spelled H-A-G. I know. Oh. On the third Wednesday in October, Hagfish Day brings awareness to the evolved but slimy hagfish. Hagfish are considered to be the ugliest of species. The idea behind this observance is to encourage everyone to look beyond the exterior of the hagfish and appreciate how highly evolved they are. Not unlike a book cover, the day points out the benefits of looking deeper into the subject. So the hagfish ugly. People on a Google a hagfish and look on the hagfish and think H-A-G-F-I-S-H. And today is Hagfish Day. Press the Google it and put it up there. So today is Hagfish Day, and apparently I want ugly fish. And them are saying, despite it being a ugly fish, that the fish is highly evolved, that there's a lot going for it. So them are saying you can look beyond the ugliness of the fish, and there is a lot of substance there and things like that. It's also Breast Reconstruction Awareness Day, that is Broad Day, and a whole bunch of other things and things. All right? But today is Hagfish Day. Hagfish. You find it, Prezi? Wait there. Me clot. Then I want big old heel. Yo. No, man, them have fish uglier than that in a Prezi. Me know fish. Yo, well, I put by one day. I eat that and there's a skin out, so. No. Prezi, put by the skin out picture with the hagfish. The skin out picture one. Put by the skin out picture one. Yo. No, Prezi. Damn. No. You see it? You see how when you look at it, you think like I want eel, no? And then when it's skin out, it face them way there and thing. And now I know exactly why them are backside. No current eel, you have to see the picture when it's skin out. When it like, I like it a laugh. They say in a Prezi, it a bust big laugh right there, so you know. It a bust like some Jamaican laugh, some big dirty careless Jamaican laugh like, hey! And that the fish are going with right there, so. People, on the Google a hagfish, look on the hagfish, Hagfish, and look on it. But don't just look on it when it a lay down. You see it look like eel or snail or whatever. You have to look on it when Jesus have mercy. Could the president can't see that? The people them pan. Oh, see president show on it there. They must see it now. The people them pan the wall. I see it now. On the seat. See there, see how the hagfish look there. But you know what is interesting, Prezi? You know, said that fish there, the dead stamp of Richie Rebel ex-girlfriend. Richie Rebel! Richie, my brethren, where you say, Papa? No. Boy, me I tell you people, when me look on the fish, me I say that was a big deal. Because me I see it because, you know, when it look like snake and or eel and whatever. But when it skin out it face and about big careless laugh and all them something, then no, sir. I want to go on right there, sir. Boy, Richie, you need to talk to your girl. She just a hype with her look at one pose. Every picture she take her the same thing. I want to Haggy. Haggy, go easy. Anyway, people want to call in about anything you want to call in about, but I know so I'm afraid of them something about. If you don't have no problem. What you say, Karen Eli? Yeah. Yeah, Richie said, if you ever know how she grip tight, the skin out part of the added bone. That is just so something Richie Rebel would say. People, I only joke with people. When you hear me call somebody name, I only joke with people who understand what I do. So don't get it twisted. Good night. Hello.
Hello, Raga. Good night.
Where you say good night?
Good night.
Eh.
Yeah, they are listening to your show and your program. Me can't sleep at night through it. It turn up.
Yeah, that's right. That's right.
Yeah.
That's right. That's right. So what go on with you now?
Me there, me alright, man.
Oh.
You don't here beat one juice and sit now.
Wait. Who this? A Christiana you there?
No, Hanover.
Okay, Hanover. Okay.
Yeah,
what kind of juice they drink right here now?
Bakalika.
What kind of bakalika?
Dragon
you drink right here now. Yes, man. Which part of Hanover you call from?
Askinish.
Which part?
Askinish.
What name?
Eh?
What you say the place name?
Askinish.
You know, so I can't pick up what you say. Baskinish?
Askinish.
Askinish?
Yeah.
You know, so I never hear about that place there yet.
Eh?
In a Hanover, one place named Askinish.
Yeah, at Skinish.
I never hear about that place there yet. Is that near Lucy?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Tell them to turn
Yeah.
on the radio. Tell them to turn
Okay.
on. Yeah, and thing. But some years, some man know you drink drug on them time of night. You know, you're not afraid say your aisle go start
No,
right.
man.
You're not afraid the aisle
No,
go
no.
start right and you get eaten and all them
No,
something.
sir, no go wrong for...
Well, and tell them to
Really?
turn off the radio.
Yeah.
Me I hear the radio in the background. That can't work. Yeah.
Lucy. Yeah, Lucy, we are.
Tell them to turn off the radio. We can't hear the radio in the background. It cause problem.
Turn off the radio.
Tell them, are you moving from it? We're not supposed to hear the radio when you're calling, all right? Eh.
Okay, yeah, hear it now?
Yeah, so when, yeah, man, you move her from it. So when me I say, we still hear it, you know. Them I go cut you off, you know. What me I say is, you're not afraid you drink drug on them time of night. You have something line up.
Yeah, me have a man is here.
Eh? You gentleman there with you
Yeah.
down. Okay, all right then.
Yeah.
As long as you're all right, I think I drink drug on them time of night, yeah, you know. Okay.
And you certain time, when you come on Sunday night time, I feel shitty.
No, you cannot say that word, darling. You can't say that word on the radio.
Okay. I don't feel good, man. Really don't come on.
Well,
You don't come
well,
on
I'm
Sunday.
sorry. Well.
Yeah.
We ain't no man.
Saturday night.
Yeah, we ain't no. You can't say that word about
Okay.
Oh, you say it so strong. I want to make you emphasize. Listen to me, now, man.
No,
You can't-
No, man, they sitting there, man, me I tell you.
So what you say now? But remember now, careful what you say now. What you say? what you say now about Sunday night and one? What was that?
When you don't come on Sunday night, I feel one way downhearted.
Okay, Osha. Well, you can't go on the internet.
Eh?
You can't go on the internet.
My phone is not internet.
Okay, that's okay. Cause
I'm a plug.
if your phone was internet, would I tell you say if you go over YouTube with Ragashanti TV, we have a whole heap of something over there where you can watch and listen anytime you want to watch and listen. That's for them there. Yeah. So
Yeah, me hear you.
okay.
Me hear you.
If you don't mind me,
Listen,
if you don't mind me asking, I'm gonna ask you, but tell the gentleman some arguments more and put to you or anything here. But like about how old are you? About how old are you, if you don't mind me asking?
Hey, me 51.
You're 51 or 61?
Yeah.
51?
51.
Oh, 51. Okay, you're a young girl, man. You're a young girl, man. Young and sprucey.
Yes, we are young girl.
That's right. Listen, you are
Yeah.
old.
No,
You are younger than somebody we know up here who live in New Jersey. Her name is Adri Danville, and she go out all the while. She drink Dragon too, and she drink Guinness every night and things. She named Adri Danville in New Jersey, and you young, and you you younger than her, and she a go on so nothing wrong with that and thing or whatever. All right.
Okay.
All right.
You advise you show turn up with the music. May I tell you, Raga, with the music, I love the music. Music and show, me love it. And you see, on Saturday night, wow.
Me not really play music.
Have the music, them just in a line. That's why me love how you play them in the line.
Oh, you mean the bridge? You mean the station, the Bridge 99 FM?
Yes.
Oh, okay,
Yes.
okay.
The band top.
Yes, man, the Bridge 99 FM play some good music. Kurt Riley and them, Rory Stone, Love and all them people, them play, Nicky Z, them play some good music.
Yeah.
All right? But
Yeah.
I'm glad you listen, I'm glad you enjoy it and thing and whatever, yeah?
Yeah, man, me I enjoy it, man. Me I enjoy it. Me sit right here and I enjoy everything.
All right, then,
Everything.
blessings, yeah?
Everything.
Yeah, man,
Oh,
all
God,
right.
Simone, my name, but then call me Dagger.
Your name Simone, but then call you Dagger. All right, then. Bless up
Yes.
here. Big up here, Dagger. All right, then.
Big up
Cool.
yourself too.
Yeah, man. Protection. Cool. All right. Bless up. All right. I'm Prezi. At the phone, hang on. Prezi. Remember, I made it on video, you know, so they must see me, you know. She called already, you know. I remember one time she called, man, and she asked me to talk to her, you know, our gentleman and thing, man. And she and Dagger, man, and she a dancer and something, man. And she, you know, into my come into my heart, Lord Jesus. Listen to me. 876-676-4996. Prezi, why want to get this number and so much 6 and 99? For what? What was the purpose of? How much so much 6 and 9 in another number? Eh? This is a number on the need to give to Reddington Levy. Look, you look on the wall, you see one name there, the name Reddington Levy. And them number you him need for have. For him phone number need for be 696 6969. And that him need for. Anyway, the number from Jamaica is 876-676-4996, 876-676-4996, 876-676-4996. The WhatsApp number is 876-551-5782, 876-551-5782, 876-551-5782, 876-551-5782, 876-551-5782. Well, Delmarine says, "Me regret some smoke from my 18th birthday. Slept all day. Still want to beat my neighbor who tell me to take a draw." Okay. And then A.J. Danville say, "Yeah, a Reddington Levy style that." How you know about the man? A.J., how you know about the general? I wish you know about the general. If you're calling from the United States or Canada, the number is 888-546-8742, 888-546-8742. Again, if you're calling from the United States or Canada, the toll-free number is 888-546-8742, 888-546-8742, 888-546-8742. To the phone line we go. Good night. Hello.
Good night.
Greetings. Have them turn off the radio or move away from it, please. Caller,
Hello?
turn off the radio or move away from it, please.
Yeah, me listen, me hear, turn off the radio.
All right, then. Why go down?
Good night, sir.
Good night, sir. Good night to you, too.
I got a long time with a fireman.
Yeah, but I've been here for a while, you know. I just had a lot of in Jamaica.
I listen to this station sometime on the radio, but through sometime I don't really get to call it. But through me there, I listen to you.
See.
So I say, I can give you one call, you know?
Cool family.
We usually listen to this station on the next station, and we usually listen to you. So we listen to it and catch the station. So we there listen to you.
Hold on, but you say you usually listen to this station on the next station?
No, at the station, you have another station usually come on, and I don't remember, I think it's another station.
Usually come on when? Where? I don't understand.
You usually listen to that station. You usually come on for the next station, I don't remember.
Oh, you mean back in the day?
Yeah, back in the day.
Oh, okay, I understand what you're saying now. Okay, all right.
Yeah, but no, it's the bridge now.
Yeah, man, at the bridge 99 FM now, man. Yes, sir, Reggae, man. Monday night, Wednesday night, and Friday night.
I listen to the show, man. I listen to the show, but sometimes I don't really call in, because sometimes you can't call it tired, but everything good, though.
No, man, everything nice, you know. I give thanks, you know, man. Bless, and, you know. and thing and,
Yeah,
and
man.
just a cut and go through and have a lot to be
Glad
thankful
you know
for.
they
Yeah.
come back for radio, man, because you are the oldest. We can listen and laugh and IrieJam.
Brap.
Vibes, you know?
Tambourine! And get a vibes, don't it?
Yes, my boss. Yes,
Yeah.
But you usually listen a long time, man. That the time they usually come to the day.
Exactly.
In the day. But you didn't take care about yourself. And God bless the year for you still, you know?
See it there. Manners and blessings, man. Give thanks for the
Robert
year.
name still, you know?
Robert, where you call from, Papa?
Me, Linstead.
A liar, Linstead you call from?
Yeah, man, Linstead, you know?
Yeah, man, big up Lynn. Hey, me I tell you back, hey, there's some mix up there, you know, Linstead and Bagwalk, you know. I want to say mix up, you know, man. Yo!
You remember the lady who usually come on at night time where that show there? You remember about that show there? She usually come on every night, like a Wednesday night. You remember that show they were usually come on every night on the same station? I don't remember the station where they think them change it up now.
No, was it New Start 93 FM?
All right, yeah. Me usually listen to that station, them man, every Wednesday night.
Oh, I think I know who you're talking of from my time. Tavia, man. Tavia. I saw the name.
All right, yeah.
Tavia, man. Tavia did have one saucy show at night time, man.
Yes, man. Them that they couldn't miss me, man. Me make sure say every Wednesday night, me make sure put on credit for my phone, car. Me usually call in from the station.
No, but Tavia sure did, you know, she never afraid to deal with the freaky things. I mean, them things they did like, listen up, me.
No, I don't really that, you know. Woman did that, no, I don't really that, Raga. I don't really that, you know.
Trouble me, man.
You usually listen to all the vibes sometimes.
Yeah. No, man, she did vibes, man. She did full of vibes.
Yeah.
Hold on, you know, say she did actually go blind. Yeah, man, she did actually go blind, and I think, you know, I think something else happened after that, but I'm not going to say it because I'm not sure and thing. But, you know, she got through some rough times and thing, you know, because she did actually go blind, and, you know, that was the last already. And, you know, original, a jungle she come from, I think Jonestown or one of them ends she come from, you know, article, very intelligent, intellectually sharp, and at the same time just rootsy and down to earth, you know. My type of woman, just genuine and just cool and easy and a fussy.
But yeah, man. We're glad to hear say they back on the radio, man. Because we are say them, you know, as a youth, we listen to. We usually listen to you, man. We usually listen to you on radio, and you are the only man come on radio and make people laugh and thing. Me usually listen to this show every night.
All right, now say a word, Robert.
We're
there again, and we are build it again. You see me? All right?
Yeah, man.
All right, Robert from Linstead.
Raga.
Yeah.
Me gonna left me number for the show yesterday, you know.
For do what?
More want a good woman for the show, you know.
Okay, you want a good woman call you?
Yes, man.
So you want...
Me left me number.
Hold on. You want to leave your number so that a good woman can call you?
Any woman want to call you.
All right, but tell me something though. But my thing global, you know, so woman can call you all over the world, you know mine?
No matter.
All right.
I'll leave the number with you.
Hold on. Before you leave your number though, right?
Yeah.
In these type of thing, the ladies, them usually want to know, they want to know a little bit about you. And then,
well, I'm a working person, you know, I work very hard.
Very hard, okay.
I'm a very working person at a high class.
You're
right
not
now,
a high class.
I work, but I want a comfortable, I don't want a thief.
You don't want a thief. You don't want a woman. Hold on. You don't want a thief, caller. Wait, 1 second. Tina, please don't call the gentleman here. Tina, don't call the gentleman. All right, then. So, you say you don't want to, all right, tell me what you don't want, and then you tell me what, me will ask you some questions about, what the woman them would like to know about you. But tell me the type of woman them what you don't want first. Tell me them woman, yeah.
I don't want the woman who can cook.
You don't want a woman who can cook? All right.
I want a woman who can cook.
Well on, Pretty Punchy, don't call him, because you know you baffan and thing. Karen Harris, don't call the gentleman. The man said the woman must can cook. Pretty Punchy and Karen Harris, You know, one live in Texas and one live in New York. Them can't cook. So you don't want a woman who can't cook. All right. What else kind of woman you don't want? What you don't want? Tell me what you do.
Well, I want an intelligent lady who can
No, hold on. Before you tell me what you want, is there any other qualities about a woman where you don't want?
No, not really, you know, but I want an intelligent lady.
All right. No, so tell me now, what kind of qualities you want in a woman where the woman them who can call you? Tell me now. Intelligent.
Oh,
yeah.
Well, you have to be intelligent, you have to can do things and, you know.
What you mean, intelligent and can do things? That is
Yeah,
very
like,
general. Tell me some specific things that you would like the woman to be able to do, yeah.
To wash, cook, and clean.
Okay. So you want hold on. So you want an intelligent woman. And is it that you're saying part of being intelligent is to be able to wash, cook, and clean? Is that what you're saying?
Yeah, and you know, you have to give her money on the weekend and so she can go to the grocery and buy her food.
Of course. So you can mind her then if she's a good woman, right?
Yeah. But you know you are the man we talk to, so we are just a link.
Listen
you
to
the
me.
Man where you can make a link.
Yo, let me tell you something. I have a channel on YouTube. It's called Ragashanti TV, right? And them have a thing named analytics. And you can look the analytics and see all kind of data from the people who follow me and thing, right? So right now I have a whole heap people from a whole heap of countries and thing who listen to my content and thing. They don't know, so when I look on that gender, my listeners, 68% of the people who listen to me is woman.
Okay.
So out of everybody who listen to Ragashanti on my channel, 68. So Raga say woman, you understand? The woman, you know, all right then. So you see it, you know exactly what you say. So so what else you want in a woman right now? So wait, hold on. You say you will mind her and give her money a week time. Like how much money, so? Them are going to just give you a sense.
Just me I left the number, man. You left too much information for the group.
No, man, hold on, man. You not work with me, man. I want me to
work with them.
Yeah, when me I say, man, I know me I do this long time. I set the thing for you, doggy. I said, trust me.
Me can't do that already, man.
No, wait, hold on. If you don't want to give them like an amount, me I tell you, this is a question a woman asks. Like, you know, like if them not going to say it to you, you know, but them will have a sense, you know. But if you don't want to answer it, you don't have to answer it. Just say you prefer not to answer that question.
All right, not to answer that question.
All right. Then, okay, what about the sort out? How good she must be for sort out?
She have a good for the sort out, man. Because we love the sort out body, you know. Yeah,
so she have a good for the sort out. And she have a good for any particular style or anything?
No.
Okay.
No.
Okay, but her sort out have a turn up.
Yeah.
All right, hold on. Adrian Danville, don't call him man. The man said the woman sort out must turn up. Adrian Danville. No. Adrian sort out pop done. She and Bobby Soule. The two of them sort out no good. Adrian Danville and Bobby Soule, the man say on the sort out of a turn up. Oh, and Delmarine Welch. So the three on about call the brother and thing. All right now. So the other thing now is we have the woman them want to know what about your sort out for them. How good are you? Them want to know that. Because nowadays them women are confident. Them want to know the things.
Right. I'm have to go to some more question, Raga.
Well, then what you think? You're there on the matchmaking thing. I'm about to take your number. Tell the people, tell the woman them, like, what is your sort out like? Tell them how you going to please them.
Well, we can't please them, or we have to please them, man.
You will give them the all kind of style then, right? Eh?
Yes, Raga. You have to mix up.
No, mix up. The last question, them woman nowadays, them want the man, them a swipe. Do you swipe?
Raga, you have to mix up. What is the question? Too much people they must have listen Robert for the radio right now.
No, well, by not answering your answer, so the woman them understand them code there, so all right? All right. And you say all right, that means we understand the thing and whatever.
All right.
So the woman
so
them know.
The number no Raga.
Yeah, send on your number.
501 1522.
876 that, right?
Yeah.
Well, tell them your number again.
501 1522, Robert.
No,
Wilkinson.
Paria, you have to say it more than you have to say it at least 4 times here so that it's sticking
at the. On this phone, me 501 15 22.
Tell him 2 more times. 501
15 22. 501 15 22.
All right then, respect and thing.
All right. You, Raga, make sure you look out for the call, Raga.
No, man, them have your number, man. My sister, them have your number. Well, and somebody from Canada, she named Andrea Bonner. She said she might give you, she going to give you a call. Andrea Bonner. She going to call
okay.
Watch out. See your thing that globally, you know. Missy. This is Missy from Atlanta. She said she going to call you. Missy from Atlanta. Yo, you think that global now, you know, Robert? The woman them want you. The woman them want you. The woman them want you. Next thing you know, them a fly you. Hey, Robert, you're gonna lead. Yo! Robert, you're gonna lead right you know. You think global, you know, Robert. Bombard star. Yo! What that? Robert, credit done? Robert? President Robert credit done. Yo, we could take a break.
New style. Yes. New flow.
The Bridge. The Bridge 99 FM to the world.
This is Zion Stewart, and you're listening to my dad, the awesome Ragashanti, on Bridge 99 FM.
That's right. I hear the boss talk. The real boss, yeah. Big up to me youth, them and things. Zai. Don't know, you know, Pops love you, you know, youth. KJ, Pops love you, you know. GD Boo, Daddy love you, you know. So the thing said, they have built phone, you see me? Yeah. All about you know right you know, that them for know. All about you know. Yo, people big and serious though, you know. One time, when I moved back to New York, right? So as many of you know, I'm now back living in New York City. But when me down in Florida, you know, one night I lay down for my set, because I don't know, me always I watch Rachel at night time, you know, Rachel Maddow show up on MSNBC. And one night I lay down and thing and just start, you know, it just flashed in my mind, say, true, me have a youth them back to back to back. Like present, it just flashed in my mind. I say, bombard, the three of them are going to college at the same time. Proper panic attack, you know, man. Because, you know, college expensive now, present. College and university expensive now, you know. So you can imagine by them are going whatever, this and that. And, yo, man, proper wake up call, man. I say, yo, you have to think different now. You see me? And this is going to reach you, you know, Prezi. Sit up, man. Prezi, I want me to you. You bleach at night time, you know, Prezi. Don't bother with it, you know. You can't juggle with Reggae and a buck, you know, Prezi. Don't it the energy show this. Prezi, sit up. You think this is DJ Oxtail? This is not a daddy show. This is not DJ Oxtail. This is not a daddy show, okay? This is Ragashanti show. Energy. All right. You see me? Yeah, man. So me I tell you, well, I looking up and thing, and then he just like a panic attack, and then I start thinking about a bag of things we associate with that and whatever. And I may just sit down up and couldn't sleep the rest of the night because it's all about things that race through your mind right now. You have to go put this in place, that in place, that in place, and whatever. But with all the stress, it's still a joy, you know, because you know that something there is a responsibility where you give thanks for. So you have that responsibility and think, because it give, when you hear sin, I always talk about purpose. You know, sin show is called Sin to Shay, right? Sin to Shay, who is one of the directors for the Bridge 99 FM and IrieJam Radio. The Bridge 99 FM in Jamaica and IrieJam Radio here in New York. And her show is called Chasing Purpose. But one of the things about the human experience is that purpose is just so important. And it's just another way where we commonly say in Jamaica, like if you have something to live for, when you hear that expression they want to use. Like if you see somebody kill, they say, make him go on, him not have nothing to live for. You understand? But when you have something to live for, or someone to live for, or people who depend upon you. As me I tell you, one time them did have them always have celebrity soccer match. Like back in the day, IrieJam radio they keep that enough, celebrity soccer match. And big up Dougie who did Bossy and thing. And only people keep celebrities. But anyway, them always invite Shaggy, right? And Shaggy no go them something in a prezi. Shaggy no go. And when I tell them I talk to him, and Shaggy's argument was, why so many people depend upon me that I don't even want to go do nothing right and nowhere, Me cause like all an injury and all them something there, and you know them look away there. At the time when Shaggy said that, I was like, what the hell is wrong with Shaggy? Same thing. Look how much people are playing a celebrity soccer match and them are picking and them are family, everybody will depend upon them. What a big deal. And and this and now me understand where I come from in a prison. Again, me not playing a celebrity soccer match, right? But I'm saying me still understand theme reasoning in a theme space, right? Because I like someone who do nothing risky, I do some risky something and thing, but I have never bungee jump, Prezi. You da bungee jump? You da bungee jump? I probably would have still do it, but like, it's a skydiving, me want to do skydiving. Me not think me I got to do skydiving, You understand what I'm saying? It's like nowadays when certain things come up and whatever, and y'all are pre-certain move and thing, and right away you don't start thinking about your youth them, You don't know about that something that Prezi car. Yeah, hey, me don't even rank with people anymore, No, man, when people are going them foolishness, me walk with Prezi. Because you never know which madman me going to do something now, Next thing you know, whatever. You know what I'm saying? It's like you just think different and the thing different. It's like you don't even want to get caught up in another look of foolishness where going to involve certain type of risk where me going to impair you or, God forbid, me take you out of business and thing, Well, the randomness of life is such that, there are certain things where you can't avoid, but to the extent that you have the capacity to make choices, you can make choices that would minimize you being involved in unnecessary risks that have the potential of, shall we say, hindering your progress or inhibiting your advance in life. So I am very much cognizant of that reality. And as such, me not really get involved in enough foolishness and whatever. Right, I know, but I don't ever like run, go a certain place and whatever and things like that, So the thing said. Tina said, Kingsley Stewart, did you know it's illegal for an unmarried woman to skydive in Florida on Sunday? It's the law. It's illegal for an unmarried woman to skydive in Florida on a Sunday. Why an unmarried woman and why Sunday? That is, I never know that. You not skydive, Prezi? Me's an adventurous man, I mean, say try it. Well, me not try everything. When I don't start. When I do not start. When I'm not trying everything. Because I have been in position where women are talk about, try it, man. It not do you nothing. If you try it, just try it, man. If you don't like it, you don't like it. Y'all allow me. What? 5 strange Florida laws. If you are an unmarried skydiving enthusiast who happens to be a female, do not attempt to skydive on a Sunday. This seems to take marriage and sacred vows to a whole new level. Unmarried women that are caught committing this weird crime can face jail time and or fines. There is no need to run out and get married. Simply remain aware of the law. And if you do not agree with it, contact your state representatives to voice your opinion. But the next one, let me read that one day. If you have ever considered having sexual relations with a poor kid, oh, Jesus, God. Florida, man. No wonder people say Florida is just this weird place. It's people like, Prezi, it's people like Adrian Danville must live in Florida, It's them weird people that must live in Florida. If you have ever considered having sexual relations with a porcupine, you may want to rethink that idea. It is against the law, not to mention frowned upon by everyday citizens. But one can only imagine that an attempt would lead to extensive personal injuries being sustained. Let me see the next one. Let me see the next one, Prezi. Do not expect to park your elephant at the parking meter and avoid paying the fee. Yo, Florida, be a mad people. All right, the next one. Go up and don't even read that one there. Yeah, in Florida, it's illegal to bring your elephant at the parking meter and don't. Oh, boy. It is against the law for an individual not to warn another of a fire or to help put out the fire if it is suspected that another life is in danger. That's a little bit quirky, but there's some logic to that. All right, the next one. Pregnant pigs shall not be confined to a cage. What? They must be allowed to graze and roam free. This law has the best interest of the pig and piglets in mind. Hunters that hog hunt with live traps will want to pay extra attention to this one. Accidentally capturing a pregnant sow could result in fines. Well, you see, there's an example, though, that when it is explained, the reason for it, there is some logic to it. So, again, they're trying to protect the piglets so that they don't, hog hunting is very common, so they don't want to go hog hunt a pregnant pig and then make the piglets them suffer. That is kind of nice. Good night, caller. Hello. Let me see the wild present. Hello. Hello. Greetings.
Yes, good night.
Good night.
Yes.
Yes.
All right, I got a quick question. It's related to your YouTube page.
Yeah.
I noticed we're getting a lot of the mix-ups on the wall. I want to know, are you going to post the serious things them on that mix-up wall, or are you going to create a separate wall for the serious shows them? Like you remember the lady who was in the hospital who she couldn't talk. You went to New Jersey and visited her. You remember that lady?
It wasn't a lady. It was a man.
I remember the man too. I remember the man too who had a stroke where he get the news. The 4 or 5.
Oh no, I remember the lady. No, you're right. There was a lady too. No, I am going to post. Yeah, no. Oh, hey, no. You must have been listening me for a long time now. You listen to Ragashanti.
Long time.
You listen to Ragashanti. No. Those will be. Those going post to. Yeah. Those type of. Because I tell.
Post on this on.
No, those are serious, but when I'm educating people about mix-up, I try to make them know that, we emphasize laughter and fun, but mix-up is not only about laughter and fun. Mix-up is about some serious things. But mix-up, as I am branded with it, sometimes I avoid, if I go mix up, I go mix up. And people know when I'm ready for that about politics, I go hard. But Ragashanti TV is branded as a mix-up entertainment site. However, those shows will be posted. But I have done so many shows over decades that, and then I edit them, I have to edit them one, each one and cut out, and it's very painstaking and whatever. So the truth is, I'll be putting up shows for a few years to come, and I'll still be putting up old shows because I have so many. That is the truth. All right? But
the reason why I was asking you that is, I'm introducing my clients to you, to the show, to the channel.
Right.
But dealing with some of these bossy people sometimes, I can't just introduce them to hardcore ragga. That's going to be too rough for them. So I want to introduce them to shows that's mild and mellow, where they could gradually work their way into the serious stuff, to the mix-up.
All right. Tell you what, there's going to be another channel. Right? It's already up, and I have content that I'm going to put over there, and it's already up. There's content over there. It's just like about one thing over there, but it's called Culture Ragga. Remember that. So that one is going to have...
I already subscribed to that already too.
All right.
So
and
I know
you see,
it.
over there, you're going to have my explicitly intellectual content is going to be over there.
Okay.
All right.
Okay.
So that one is Culture Raga.
Okay.
Cultureraga. But just want the people them know because you're already there. So people can go over there and subscribe to that one too. But I have this, for example, I have this really nice interview I did with Professor Carolyn Cooper about the Jamaican language and its genesis and the socio-cultural rules attached to it and so forth. So stuff like that, I'm going to put over Culture Raga and not on Ragashanti TV, because Ragashanti TV is about straight, crazy mix-up entertainment and, the Ragashanti classics and even the show and all this stuff, But Culture Raga, that is the one.
Yeah.
And in about 2 weeks, I'm going to start putting more content. I have them isolated already, but I'm going to start putting more content over there, all right?
Okay.
But no, and I want to thank you for go on, I'm sorry, proceed.
I had a perfect case today. I had a client in the chair today, right?
Yeah.
And because I'm trying to, they always see me laughing because I'm listening to the show on my Bluetooth.
Right.
So I decided to put the phone through the speaker to the whole shop. But some people, they're not getting the full concept because they're like, I can't believe this is a radio station. So much mix-up, so much stuff. I literally was searching through some softer, milder shows to kind of gradually get them on, wean them on, because I didn't want to introduce them to the hardcore stuff,
Right.
So that's my approach. I literally going to approach it with, especially my older clientele.
Right.
I'm going to introduce them to the milder show first, and let them gradually work themselves into mix-up and the rare,
But, and here's the truth again, and be reminded, everything is not for everybody, right? Everything is not for everybody.
Yes.
And I am well aware, and I always tell people, it's just like channels on TV. Some people go straight to Comedy Central. Some people go straight to certain channels that they like. Some people only watch certain shows that they like. I watch Forensic Files. I love the Law and Order series, and I just stick to certain channel. Every 9 o'clock at night, I'm really busy now, so I've been missing her a lot. But I watch a Rachel Maddow show on MSNBC. I know all the personalities on MSNBC because that is my cable channel. So it's just like everybody have them thing where them watch, and it's the same thing applies to my show and Mix-Up Entertainment. It's not for everybody.
Yeah.
So I think you are going to have to, I appreciate you spreading the word. I appreciate you letting people, exposing people to it. But I would also submit to you that be reminded that you like it, you understand me. If you've been listening to me for so long that you know them calls and whatever, you all remind me about that woman from Jersey. I think we end up a caller. Miracle Girl, that was her name, we called her. Miracle Girl.
Miracle Girl. That's it.
See, that me never, you were remind me about her. Miracle Girl who overcame so like me, you know what we say with blood I run cool in a Jamaica, whatever that means, but I know the feeling, but I don't know why we say that. But that it just remembering her a while ago, like me just like, yes, remember Miracle Girl. You just reminded me of a very powerful. She was just so inspirational, wasn't she? And she just uplifted.
Yeah.
She had the whole way a ball, and me a ball.
I tell my people, they must say, look, when you turn on the show and Raga move with the vibes and the spirit, the show is so organic that you never know what you're going to get every day. It could just take on a whole mind of its own. Exactly. So I said, sometimes you think you're going to get a mix-up, and then you get a personal, touching story that rock you and shake you up, make you think and out of the blue, make you appreciate life.
Right. And that is life.
I remember that show, Raga, where the lady called you when the lady was in a closet, when she sung like she was about to hurt herself, and you just talk her out of it. You have her laughing. She was talking about her two pick-me, And I remember that I was working when that show, I got so quiet because I'm like, man.
Which one was that? Remind me, because I'm trying.
The lady, she called and she was crying. You could tell she was crying, and She's in America. She wasn't too, the paper thing not too right. She have two picnic. The man I treat her bad. Where I think she's in a apartment where she's in a place where she really don't want to be. And she was so depressed where she's talking about like she's gonna go in the closet and she don't know how to deal with it, and she sound like she was about to hurt herself. And you recognize that. You recognize certain words she was using and the mannerism and tone, and you just had her calm her down. You talked her out of it. You had her laughing. She talking about movies. She said, you ask her, what brings you joy? And she said, my two picnic. When she see the two picnic, them I laugh and play. That brings her joy. And at the end of the day, she was laughing. TamFam, I think, reach out to her, help her with jobs. Some people call in and give her like links with jobs.
Right.
If I'm not mistaken, she had called back like months later just to give us an update and say, like I move out and I'm doing good and, stuff like that.
Well, here we go. Me go buck up and I'm sure I'm going to buck up. Listen to me. In just putting up the one that I'm putting up, I come up on some that I had forgotten. And I'm sure, we're going to have quite a few of those coming up. And even some really funny ones, which one me are dying for buck up on? I don't know if you remember that Mixup here from Jamaica about one man who did fly down with one woman over Portmore, and the woman did there with one police, and the policeman come in and back him going upon him, and the man run out naked, and them they think a thief, and the man a run naked all over Portmore, and I'll jump in our executive minibus, or executive public transportation, and everybody empty the bus, and the man a run around the road at Portmore, and people think a thief. You remember that Mix-Up there?
I don't remember that.
No, you remember that one. That one went on for days.
I remember.
Huh?
One of the very first one I remember was one where the brother called and I talked about how his wife is giving him bun, and how he come home and couldn't park his car in the garage because there was a SUV in the garage that is not his car. He had to park on the street and only to come up the step to find. He's walking up the step to find a brother. I send on messages to the wife. I want to keep it safe.
Right.
Where he put a recorder. You remember? He said I put a phone recorder in her car, recording her talking to the guy, telling the bonner man, say, I just took $80 off that one day, and you want to go to the movies? So his wife take the bonner man to the movies to get popcorn and watch movie with his money, $80.
Wow,
I remember that one.
I remember that one. We're going to buck up on the whole of them, man. We're going to buck up on them, man. See? No, you know which one? I don't know if it's the same one where... No, but this was a woman who did PS a cell phone under the car seat and put the cell phone on silent and set the cell phone that whenever... Was that man? I don't remember that one. When them call the cell phone, it just answer. It was a guy. I don't remember. I don't know if it's a woman or a guy. Somebody on the wall I remember it. But if you when them call the phone,
you remember said they take away the house because he was paying the mortgage for the house. Give the lady the $3,000 every month, and the woman she just pocket it in the money. She's not paying the mortgage, and she pocket the money. And they end up lose the house.
All right, here we Papa. We're going to buck up on all of them. The scene should just look out for them, all right?
All right, then, cool.
Just look out for them, man, and just respect for the support over the years and thing. And use a man, you see it there, the all of you mix up them and thing and so forth and thing like that. Big up yourself, here. Yeah, and all right, bless up yourself, bless up yourself, yes.
Yeah, man, all right.
Is that one that the general never remember the one where the woman catch Tina with her man and give her $9. And remember the $9 mix up? The woman who catch Tina take her man and thing, and Tina carry the man in a taxi and carry him gone to Harbour View over her yard, and the woman run up on her and thing and rush Tina and get Tina 9 juicy box and thing, make she understand herself. And take her man and take him from Harbour View with Tina deliver. You remember that one? Yo, everybody, wanna go over Ragashanti TV right now and just subscribe to the channel. Go, Tina dead. Yo, wanna go on them two YouTube channel here. Ragashanti TV and Culture Raga. Nothing over culture. Well, one thing over Culture Raga right now, but just still subscribe to it. Wanna go to Ragashanti TV on YouTube and Culture Raga and subscribe to them right now. Ragashanti TV, one channel. When you say Nakita, no. Yo, yeah. Wanna just go over YouTube and just subscribe to Ragashanti TV. That is one channel, and subscribe to Culture Raga. CULTURERAGA. CULTURERAGA. Subscribe to them two channels, see? And I bag of something over Ragashanti TV. So we'll fling up one next video today. That one I name will be a mix-up, right? Wife is send up upon matey. Yeah. Press you need for pre that mix-up there. Right? One woman call in and say and her sister take one woman, one wife, husband, and the wife will be her and send up upon her. Yo, me don't know how people can't love mix-up. Like, mix-up is just so entertaining and it's just such a release and it's just such an alternative to so many of the stressors out there where, you know, I hold we down and all them something or whatever. Yo, people, me are telling you the God truth. If me could have just sit down, Prezi, if me could have just sit down, if me could have pay all of my bills and save money and whatever and just to mix up show every day and I entertain people and I counsel people and like, that would I do. You understand what I say? If me could have just sit down and do that every day, right? That would I do. And just know something I have to work, this I take care of, I'm being responsible here, and you know them look over there, and take care of me, if I take care of, and pay for what I pay for, and pay my bills, because I owe people money. Yeah, big up all who lend me money, I'm still own. Big up all who lend me money, I'm still own. Me don't forgot to know, me don't forgot to know, Raga don't forgot to know. I'm telling you all the while, if it is up to Uno, me I tell people. Right? I want to say, nah, nobody know. I'm going to tell people, no shame there, no shame there, so. You know what is interesting, Prezi? I'm going to tell you something I don't know if you know. And you're probably not going to believe me. You know, say rich people borrow money way more than poor people. Did you know that? You just a shake your head. You know that? Rich people borrow money way more than poor people. But I'm not talking about financially poor. But people in a poor people class, them more ridicule somebody who borrow money from somebody else. And big up the rich people them who rich people thing, you know, the art of the game for rich people, you know, is to use other people's money to make money. You ever hear that term there? That is what them do. Look at Mr. Monday, you know who me attack? Ringy. I feel him think that, you know, hey, Ringy are the boss, you know. Yo, Ringy borrow money and live big life, you know, Prezi. And Ringy lose money. Prezi, I've never heard of this in the United States of America. For you reach a point where no bank, where all of the bank them say, we give you no money. Hey, you know, say you think of it different for reach this, so you know. For you reach a point in all of the United States of America, not only the financial country of the world, but it has the financial capital of the world, Wall Street, right? The head of the securities, you know, industry in terms of stocks and all them something there, whatever, where them people are dying for lend people money. And for you reach a point where them say, no, we not lend you no money again. You know, say your thing, whatever. Then when you reach the point, they know, When nobody else now lend you money, because you borrow money and you pay back money and you do it for a while and then fine on. And when the people them go to you and say, you owe hundreds of millions of dollars you need for pay right now, you know Ringy the boss though. Ringy sold the whole of them and say a phone of bad management practice make me never make money. You Ringy the boss, you know. And Ringy just tie up the whole of them in a court forever. I know them tie up in a court. They must spend millions and millions to defend the thing against Ringy. You understand what I say? Rich people borrow more money than poor people. Ask Richie Rebel if you don't think I lie, me I tell. Ask the people who know about them something. Ask Tina. Ask people in the securities. Securities have to do with stocks and bonds and all these things and whatever. Right? So, I just want to big up all who have my back that way. I don't forgot to know. I don't even hear from him. I don't forgot to know anything. But don't worry on yourself. Raga go work hard and pay back my debts them and step up in a life. And I saw the thing said. Like I was saying, please, people want to go over to remember people in life doing it. Remember me telling you this on listen. You see, nowadays, I don't want to feel now we're still, things rough and things and whatever out there and everybody not have it. Most people not have it and thing. Yeah. But money can make. You have to have that something there. Not only work hard, but work smart. And be reminded, we live in a time right now where this information age is such that we have access to, the internet is just so powerful. It allows you to learn how to do something, right? You can be overwhelmed with all the information that is there, yes. But the internet is such that business is about goods and services. All business is about goods and services, right? So it's either you sell one product, one actually tangible product where you can't touch. That may be something where you can make. The internet can teach you to make anything. Or it could be a service, something you're doing for somebody. Something you're doing for somebody. So when you scan the people out there, you must just rack your brain and go through some trial and error process and figure out what people want. People don't know what the service thing take off now, Amazon sell things, But the genius behind Amazon is a delivery. Nobody, it's something as simple as that. Nobody thought about that. Say, make us, really make the delivery part so efficient that it would be a pleasure to buy all of the other products. So Amazon sell everything in the world, but where them set themselves apart was the delivery, and them things just skyrocket. One brother there on TikTok, him name KB. Khaby. You know him? People, all this youth you do, him go on the internet, him look on people who are do things and are complicated just to get likes, and all him do is, him show you what them are do, and then him show you the simple version. The man is a millionaire now, The man is a millionaire now. People, if you don't think I lie, me I tell, go on the internet. Him name Khaby. The man no talk. The man no talk in him video. All him do, him show you what other people are doing to kill up themselves to get likes and all them something there. And all him do is show you, say, I idiot thing them are going on with. This is a simple way to do it. And him just make video after video after video. The man don't say a word. But him just have a facial expression there. When him do him face and him going, after him do him thing or whatever, it just sell. People man turn millionaire after that. It's simple. Me know somebody and think she did go through hard time. Prezi, you know what she got do? She open a cleaning business. Prezi said, but me tell you, so this cleaning thing, you take off wicked right, You understand? People opportunity out there for make money. See him there? KB, him. That same one there, him. Right? So people, I'm telling them more about this. Right? But find something where you can do and something where you enjoy doing, right? Learn the fundamentals of it, right? Find a space, an arena, whether in your town or upon the internet or whatever, for do it, right? And then differentiate your product. Try to make something about your thing different, right? Jeff Bezos, he make the delivery. Everybody a deliver a long time, you know. Everybody a deliver a long time. The man just take the delivery thing pan another level. Now watch it. Elon Musk a fight back and forth now to be the richest people in our world and whatever, right? Money out there for make. You can, and it's not just money, you can enjoy what you're doing. All right? And you have to find a thing, and then, you hear me always tell you, start where you are, use what you have, do what you can. That may mean you have to start very small, nothing wrong. Me, I tell you right now, my YouTube channel, eventually one day I have enough people over there. Me have a plan, me have a vision. But I work hard on it. I work hard, people, I work hard. I'm just a figure out certain things and whatever, all right? Start where you are, use what you have, and do what you can. And that may be a little. And build your thing. All right? I'll let go Friday again, people and things. So, yeah. And that's why I'm asking you to go over my YouTube channel and subscribe. A lot of you over there, when I consume the content, but you don't subscribe. And we can see it on the back end, people are watching and not subscribe. Subscribe. And then like the video, them want to watch them and thing. Just click like and thing and share them and all these things. All right? That is called Ragashanti TV on YouTube. And also Culture Raga. We're going to build that one there too. That's going to be the intellectual Raga. All right? And let's have fun. Laugh, learn, and grow, we say. All TamFam has big up on itself. I'll be back on Friday. And do remember, this Saturday also is our next version of Free Up on Ragashanti TV, the realest Jamaican talk show out there right now. All right? Big up on yourself, people. Be safe. Don't make nobody draw nothing on across this thing. And I'll see you on Friday. Bless up.